Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Beferich 4K+2.5K dashcam front and rear. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 4K plus 2.5K dual channel recording and 170 degrees wide angle. The Beferich dual dashcam front and rear captures ultra crisp footage with Ultra HD 4K, 3800x2160p, front camera and Full HD 2.5K rear dashcam. Its 170 degrees/150 degrees ultra-wide angle lens minimizes blind spots, ensuring full coverage of road signs, license plates, and critical details during collisions. Ideal as a good 4K dashcam or car accessories, it safeguards evidence with unmatched clarity. Built-in GPS for precise location. This J18 dash camera for cars is designed with built-in GPS, which helps log your driving speed, route, and real-time latitude and longitude, allowing you to track your journey on maps via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Providing additional evidence when needed, especially when the accident happens unfortunately. This dash camera for cars features 5 GHz Wi-Fi for 20 MB/s video transfer speed. This J18 dual dash cams compatible with iOS/Android. Use the WDR app to preview, download, and share recordings instantly on social media. Our front and rear dashcam combines speed and convenience for effortless management. With a 3.16-inch IPS screen, the dashcam provides sharp, clear visuals, allowing you to effortlessly navigate settings and view recordings. Our dashcams for cars provides night vision dashcams 6-layer f/1.8 aperture lens and HDR/WDR technology, which let you capture important details clearly even at deep night. This dashcam front and rear supports seamless loop recording. When the 64 GB card, free and included, fills, the dashcams will overwrite the oldest files. Equipped with a built-in G sensor that detects sudden movements or impacts, it automatically locks and protects the associated footage when an event is detected on the road, ensuring it won't be overwritten during loop recording. This J18 car dashboard camera offers 24/7 parking monitoring modes. The 4K dashcam turns off after parking but activates upon detecting vibrations or collisions, recording and locking a 15 seconds short video to protect your important videos from being overwritten or deleted. If you want to let the dashcam front and rear provide 24/7 monitoring to deter thieves and vandals, installation of a hard wiring kit is required, sold separately. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.